Is your e-commerce business ready for the AI revolution? ChatGPT and other AI tools are already being used to streamline operations, personalize marketing, and enhance the shopping experience. Discover how you can apply them to your business and stay ahead of the competition. 1. ChatGPT and AI-generated content. Streamline your product descriptions with AI-generated content using ChatGPT. However, be aware of potential errors and limited data sources. While AI image generation technology is advancing, it's not quite there yet for complex 3D objects. But AI can still help bridge the gap and reduce costs for product photoshoots. 2. Chatbots and customer interactions. Improve your customer support process with chatbots that are available 24/7 and personalize the experience. They can speed up complaint resolution, but be aware of their limitations. Customers still prefer human assistance when it comes to returning a product, troubleshooting, and complaining about a service or product. 3. Advertising targeting and personalization. AI algorithms analyze customer data to determine the best audience targeting and segmentation, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. Keyword harvesting and AI-generated customer personas further optimize marketing efforts for maximum impact. 4. Sentiment farming and fraud prevention. Gain deeper customer insights with AI-powered sentiment analysis, which mines opinion data from various sources such as reviews, surveys, and social media. But be aware of paid reviewers who can skew opinions and use sentiment analysis to prevent fraud and identify spam reviews. 5. Supply chain planning. AI-powered tools analyze customer behavior and demand data. Reduce waste, improve efficiency, and ensure proper inventory flow to avoid under or overstocking. Amazon's Intellify offers AI-powered inventory management with demand forecasting. While AI cannot make independent decisions, it can make iterative decisions based on the task given to it, giving businesses a competitive edge. So, if you're ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level, incorporating AI is the way to go. The possibilities for AI in e-commerce are endless, and with the right tools and strategies, you can maximize its potential to grow your business. So why wait? Start exploring the power of AI today and watch your e-commerce business thrive. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.